10 Amazing Health Benefits of Ginger. Ginger is a magical root that has been used for thousands of years in Asia and other parts of the world for its incredible health benefits. This versatile ingredient is not only delicious in your stir-fries and curries, but it's also a powerhouse of nutrition. So let's explore some amazing benefits of this zesty root. Number 1. Nausea relief. Ginger has long been known for its ability to calm an upset stomach and alleviate nausea. Whether it's motion sickness, morning sickness, or nausea from certain medications, ginger can help. The active compounds in ginger, including gingerol, have antiemetic properties, which means they can help reduce the feeling of nausea. You can enjoy ginger tea, ginger ale, or even ginger candies to soothe your stomach. Number 2. Pain relief. Ginger is a natural pain reliever. It contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce pain and inflammation throughout the body. This makes it effective in relieving menstrual cramps, muscle soreness, and joint pain. Applying ginger oil or taking ginger supplements can provide relief from various types of pain. 3. Better blood sugar control. For individuals with diabetes or those at risk, managing blood sugar levels is crucial. Ginger may help regulate blood sugar levels due to its bioactive compounds. Studies show that ginger extract can enhance insulin sensitivity, potentially benefiting those with diabetes or seeking to improve their metabolic health. 4. Lower cholesterol levels. Heart health is essential for overall well-being, and ginger can play a role here too. It may help lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL, the bad cholesterol. By reducing cholesterol, ginger can contribute to a decreased risk of heart disease and stroke. Incorporating ginger into your diet may be a simple and tasty way to support your cardiovascular health. 5. Anti-cancer properties. Research suggests that ginger possesses anti-cancer properties. The gingerols and shogaols found in ginger have been studied for their potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. While more research is needed, incorporating ginger into your diet may offer some protection against certain types of cancer. 6. Boosting the immune system. Staying healthy requires a strong immune system, and ginger can lend a helping hand here as well. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties can help fight off infections and reduce inflammation. Drinking ginger tea or incorporating ginger into your meals can support your immune system, especially during cold and flu season. 7. Weight loss support. For those looking to shed a few pounds, ginger may be a helpful ally. It can aid in weight loss by boosting the body's metabolism and promoting the breakdown of body fat. Additionally, ginger's appetite-reducing properties can help you feel fuller for longer, potentially leading to reduced calorie intake. 8. Healthy digestion. A common digestive issue is bloating, but ginger can come to the rescue. Its antispasmodic properties help relax the smooth muscles in the digestive tract, easing discomfort and reducing gas. Consuming ginger regularly can promote healthy digestion and prevent bloating. 9. Improved blood circulation. Good blood circulation is vital for overall health, and ginger can assist in this area. It acts as a natural blood thinner, reducing the risk of blood clots and improving blood flow. This can help lower the risk of heart disease and support healthy blood pressure levels. 10. Glowing skin. Achieving a radiant complexion is a common desire, and ginger may help you achieve just that. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help reduce skin inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. You can use ginger juice or ginger-based face masks to nourish your skin and promote a healthy glow. There you have it, 10 amazing health benefits of ginger. This incredible root offers a multitude of advantages, from relieving nausea to boosting the immune system and even promoting glowing skin. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine can be easy and enjoyable. Add it to your teas, smoothies, stir-fries, or enjoy it as a zesty snack. And don't forget to stay tuned for more videos on health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious. Please consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.